Welcome back to my start to finish hair growth routine series, where I took you guys through the process on how I grow and retain long, healthy, long, natural hair. You're currently watching part 3. Make sure to check out parts 1 and 2. In part 1, I shared my wash day routine using my favorite product and ended up with one of my go-to hairstyles. In part 2, I shared how I moisturized my hair and another one of my go-to hairstyles. Let's get into part 3, shall we?
From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
Hey, happy Friday. This is the next day and this is what we're working with. Look at the hair real quick. Let me show you a 360. Hair is still moisturized. Hair still looks good. Not doing anything to it today. Absolutely nothing. See you tomorrow. Maybe, maybe not. See you. Bye, 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 bye. Hey guys, did I say I wasn't going anywhere today? Well, I'm going on a last minute double date. I just put some edge control on my edges and recurl the end with some gel. Gotta go right now. Gotta go. Sunday was all about the refresh, or shall we say reset in YouTube terminology. I spritz my hair, focused mostly on the ends, well, the lower parts of my hair, and re-greased the ends. But before that, you saw me put my hair into a ponytail for the girl. Hey, today is Tuesday. It's a beautiful Tuesday and we're going to refresh, but for this refresh we're going to unravel, spritz with water, apply a little bit more grease, and apply some gel because I want to rock a hairstyle at the end of this. And this is one of the ways that I can eventually wear my hair out if I want. Let's start the process. I haven't been doing anything to my edges and I've just been rocking my hair up into this bun. The hair is still moisturized. I just want fresh hair to do this hairstyle. We're going to repeat the same steps: spritz, detangle, grease. Just gonna focus the grease mainly on the ends. Gel, detangle again. The hair will look fresh again. I can rock it for as long as I want to, or after unraveling this time around I can style differently. But I'm gonna show you guys how long I can push this hairstyle and maybe get even more hairstyles out of this. It's just the way I choose to wear my hair. Like if I want to wear my hair out, I can, but sometimes I just choose not to, and that's okay. It's alright. So let me finish my hair and come back to you guys. Fresh again, real fresh. Let's see how long I wear these, but if I wanted to I can wear these for another couple days, but I want to wear my hair out soon, you know, just a little bit. Stay tuned. Hey, happy what? Today's Wednesday. I have one of my caffeine pills in my mouth. This is what the hair is looking like after the refresh. Didn't do anything to the edges. Hair is still moisturized. Hair feels good. Probably won't have to do anything to it tomorrow, but we will see. See you tomorrow. Series where I took you guys through the process on how I grew and oh, hey there. You were there watching me this whole time. Weird. Since you're here. Today is, you would swear every time I come on here and say what day it is, I would know what day it is. According to my Apple Watch, it's Thursday. For today, nothing done to the edges, but I did re-add some gel on the ends. And I put it into this bun just to keep my ends from rubbing on my clothes because I want my ends to stay hard because tomorrow we may unravel. So let's see what tomorrow brings. Today is the day we unravel. I'm actually gonna rock it out today. I'm going on a lunch date. We're gonna rock the curl. I haven't done a braid out in such a long time. Braid outs are actually one of my favorite hairstyles when I wear my hair out. So we're gonna put all the hair up and unravel one by one. And I specifically added gel on my ends just so my hair can come out defined, especially at the ends. All unraveled and separated for the most part. I don't think I'm gonna do any more separating, but I'm gonna style it differently. Look at the definition. My hair is still moisturized, looks good. Okay, let me style this because I gotta go. How we looking? My hair feels nice and airy and movement. You better shake it on, cause the loving ain't the same. I just took pieces from the front and put it into this ponytail. I was struggling though because at first I used rubber bands and I couldn't get it to lay flat. I ended up using a ponytail holder. We have the hair out and about today. Love it, love it, love it, love it. It's interesting though. I just did a braid out with grease. Wow. You know the hair is moisturized and it's full and fluffy. Ooh. This is how we're rocking the hair today. I gotta go. Let's see what we do with the hair tomorrow because one day wearing my hair out is enough for me. So let's see what tomorrow brings. On Saturday, we rocked one of my go-to hairstyles when I wear my hair out. Yes, I have go-to hairstyles for different occasions, girl. The infamous low puff ponytail. We started by taking on my previous hairstyle. My hair still felt good, no need to re-moisturize. But I did spritz my hair with water and applied some gel to the front of my hair. Brushed it up and put in a slightly used ponytail holder that wasn't too tight. And then, boom, low puff ponytail. I'm giving you hair at the back, but sleek in the front. Happy Sunday. From the last time you guys saw me, I didn't do anything to my hair. I just tucked it up to take a shower because I know I was going to change my hairstyle into something else. My hair is dry, really dry since it's been out, and I just want to go into wash day tomorrow with slightly moisturized hair that's not too dry, so I don't have to put in extra work to wash my hair. I'm gonna spritz some curl refresh in my hair. Then we're going to go to another one of the go-to hairstyles, focusing mostly on the ends, and when I spritz, I'm pulling at the end. You guys see how big my hair is getting? Braid is almost done. I don't remember seeing this in my beauty supply store though, and I don't want to order. No, nothing isn't coming out. Okay, I'm gonna continue to pull because I'm just trying to get the curls stretched. Just spritz the hair with water. Let me give you a hint though. This hairstyle saves lives. If you watch my videos often, you would already know the hairstyle. Comment down below. Can't raise my arms too high. And we're going to, what are we gonna do? Because what? Buns be saving lives. I did my quick bun. We can rock this for a day or two or for however long my heart desires, but as I told you guys, I'm going to wash my hair tomorrow. Just want fresh clean hair. I feel like that's needed right now. I basically wanted to show you guys a week in my hair, the steps that I take to help me retain length. You guys saw what one of my weeks may look like if I wore a particular hairstyle, if I were to go out and I wanted to wear my hair out, and my hair wasn't really a burden for me for any of the days because I had routines that I know I can fall back on if anything were to happen. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. As I said, I hope you enjoyed it. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Bye.